Height and distance, part 2. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal from a point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. So here, this portion is statue. Suppose this point is B, this is C. So this is 1.6 meter, and this is pedestal, and this is ground line, from where this angle and this angle is given. As per our question, this angle is 45 degree and this angle is 60 degree. We can assume this X, this Y, and say this point is C, this point is D. Now we have to find out BC, this is pedestal. So for that, we consider triangle BCD. In the triangle BCD, perpendicular upon base equal to tan theta. Here perpendicular is X and base is Y equal to tan 45 degree, which is 1, which gives X equal to Y. Now in the triangle DC, this point is suppose A. So in triangle DCA, perpendicular upon base equal to tan theta. Perpendicular is 1.6 plus X divided by Y equal to tan 60 degree, which is root 3. Since Y equal to X, so we can write it 1.6 plus X upon X equal to root 3, or 1.6 equal plus X equal to root 3X, which will give 1.6 equal to root 3 minus 1 times X, which further implies X equal to 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1, which is our answer. Let's go to next question, question number 9. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree, and angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meters high, find the height of the building. So suppose this is building, and this is ground line, and here there is tower. So we can write here AB is tower and CD is building. Now, as per question, the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. So this angle is 30 degree. And angle of top of the tower from the foot of the building. This foot of the building, from where this angle is 60 degree. So angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. So we join this, and this angle is given as 60 degree. And suppose this is X, this is Y, and height of the tower is given as 50 meters. We have to find out height of building CD, that is Y. So in the triangle ABC, perpendicular upon base equal to tan theta. Here perpendicular is 50 and base is X equal to tan 60 degree, which is root 3. So from here we get X equal to 50 upon root 3 meter. Now in triangle BCD, again perpendicular upon base equal to tan theta, perpendicular y divided by base is x equal to tan 30 degree. So y equals x tan 30 degree, but x equal to 50 upon root 3 into tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So this will give 50 upon 3 meter. Is our answer. Now let's see next question. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. So let's draw two poles. This pole 1 and this is pole 2, and they are height of the both pole is same. Two poles of equal height, and the road is 80 meter wide. So this, suppose this is A, this is B, this is 80 meter. There is a point on the road, and from point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 and 30 degree. So suppose we join this point here, suppose this angle is 60 degree, and then we join this, so this angle is, so let's write this angle as 30 degree, this angle as 60 degree, and let's take this x from up to here. Suppose point is C, so BC is x, then this remaining point AC will be 80 minus x, and this is H, this is H. Both poles are of equal heights. So we have to find out the height of pole. And also we have to find out this BC and AC, so that can be easily found. So let's take triangle this BCD. In a triangle BCD, perpendicular upon base equal to tan theta, h upon x equal to tan 60, which is root 3. So from here we get h equal to x root 3. Now we consider triangle EAC. In triangle EAC, again perpendicular upon base equal to tan theta, perpendicular is h, upon base is 80 minus x equal to tan 30, which is 1 upon root 3. From here we get h root 3 equal to 80 minus x. Now we can put the value of h from here, so this will become x root 3 into root 3 equal to 80 minus x 3x, and this minus x can be taken to the side, so this plus x equal to 80, which will give 4x equal to 80, which implies x equal to 20. So if this is 20, if BC is 20, then remaining, so this AC will be 60 because AB equal to 80, and then h will be equal to from here. So h equal to x root 3. X is 20 and meter. So that's our answer. Let's go to question number next. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal from a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower. The angles of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. From an from another point 20 meters away from this point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and width of the canal. So let's draw the diagram. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of the canal. Suppose this is TV tower. From a point on the other bank, directly opposite to the tower, suppose this canal. So here we can write the name. Suppose this is AB. AB is the canal. From a point and the other point directly opposite, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. From here, this angle is 60 degrees. Now, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from another point 20-meter away from this point, and the line is joined this point. Now 20-meter away from this point, suppose we reach here, this point B. Now we reach to C, and from here this BC is 20 meters. The angle of elevation of top of the tower is 30 degrees. So this time angle of elevation reduces to 30 degrees. So find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. We have to find, this is canal, suppose this is X, and height of the tower is suppose H. And let's write it here as D. In a triangle BAD, perpendicular upon B is equal to tan theta, that is H upon X equal to tan 60 degree, which is root 3, H equal to X root 3. So first equation. Now in triangle CAD, perpendicular upon B is equal to tan theta again. So H upon 20 plus X equal to tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So H root 3 equal to 20 plus X. Now we can put the value of H X root 3 here. So X root 3 into root 3 will give 3X equal to 20 plus X, which implies 3X minus X equal to 20, from where X equal, this is 2X equal to 20, X equal to 10 meter. When X equal to 10, then H equal to 10 root 3 meter, which is our answer. Now let's see one more question. From the top of 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of cable tower is 60 degree, and the angle of depression of the foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. So suppose this is tower, and this is ground line. Here there is building. Now, as per question says from the top of 7-meter tall building. This building is 7 meter. Suppose we write the name as AB, this C, and this is D. This is tower. So from the top of 7-meter tall building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower. So if we join this and draw horizontal line here, then we can say that this angle is 60 degree as per question. If this is X, this will also be X. And the angle of depression of the foot is 45 degree. From same point, if this foot of the tower is joined, the angle becomes 45 degree. So this angle, either this angle or this angle. So this angle is 45 degree. So let's give this point as E. This is 7, so this will also be 7. This is X, suppose this is Y. And determine the height of the tower. We have to find out CD, 7 plus Y. So CD is to be determined. So in triangle DEA, Y upon X equal to tan 60 degree. That is root 3, from where Y equal to X root 3. Suppose equation number 1. Now we consider triangle in triangle ABC. Again, perpendicular upon base equal to tan theta. Perpendicular is 7, base is x equal to tan 45, and tan 45 is 1. From where we get 7 equal to x. So second, so from first and second, y will be equal to 7 root 3 meter. So height of the tower is CD, which is 7 plus y. So 7 plus y is 7 root 3. So we can take out 7. So right here. So CD equal to 7 outside and 1 plus root 3 meter. Which is our answer. Thank you for watching.